Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1507 at Angsana Teluk Bahang. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door. With the floor plan. Right there, we have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power, do not disturb and make up room switches, together with a light switch for the foyer and the bathroom. And another light switch for the bathroom. To the left, as you enter the room, we have the bathroom. And to the left of the bathroom, as you enter it, we have a huge mirror with lights on either sides of it. The sink, another mirror right there. Power outlet for the shaver, bathroom amenities, towels, a weighing scale, more towels right there, and another power outlet right there. Right here, we have the toilet. And right here, we have the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower right there, and a rain shower right above. And right there, we have the usual soap, shampoos and whatnot. Here we have the bathtub, a bin, and this is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have the connecting room door with a power outlet below and the climate control panel right there. Opposite the climate control panel, we have the wardrobe area, and the doors of the wardrobe also double up as mirrors. Hello. Behind the left mirror, we have in-room slippers, drawers, in-room safe, torchlight, storage right above. And behind the right door, we have some storage, umbrellas, ironing board, bathrobes, the luggage area, an iron, and hangers. There's a bin right there, desk area with the chair, another mirror, and right there we have power outlets, USB ports, and here we have the pantry area with bottles of water, artwork, power outlets and a light switch right there to the right. And below we have the fridge. It is not empty, but those 6 tins of drinks are free for the first round, and any subsequent rounds you have to pay for it. And on the left side we have the tea and coffee making stuff, glasses, mugs and kettle below. Okay. On the left bedside table, we have the TV remote, in-room telephone, light switches, power outlets and USB ports, another light right above, and we have a strip of lights beneath the artwork that's just above the bed. The bed itself is quite comfortable. And on the right bedside table, we just have light switches, power outlets and USB ports. Right there we have a flat screen LG TV with light switches, some storage right there, a sofa like thing, And the view out of the window, we can see the sea, the beach. That is behind the hotel. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1507 and Angsana Teluk Bahang. Thanks for watching and goodbye.